Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all those who are new and welcome back to everyone who's been joining me on this journey. My name is Amaris and my company is Glamorous by Amaris. If you like things makeup, fashion, and everything in between, be sure to thumbs up this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, support my glamourous.amaris.com where I do have my cosmetic line and my naturals line. Today though, we are here by popular demand because you all wanted a update on my Louis Vuitton Montsouris backpack. I unboxed this beautiful baby less than 2 months ago and I have carried it quite frequently. The purpose that I got this bag for, well, the number one purpose was actually for my trip to Vegas, which happened the end of October, early November, and I wanted a nice, cute luxury travel backpack, and that's what I got this for. Let me just tell you all. Well, one, I'm glad you guys asked for an update because, you know, it's important to see how a bag wears and tears. And I am rough, okay? Even with my beautiful luxury goods, I noticed I am rough. This bag was on the airplane floor. This was on beds. It was on regular grounds. I literally, when I come home, I do this to the bag and whatever happens, happens. I am a glamorous but rough person. I'm very clumsy as well. Let me grab the bag. And this bag, please don't throw your luxury goods. Oh my goodness. But this bag has held up beautifully, okay? I know one of the requests you all had were questions about the corner wear, and as you can see, everything is pristine. The stitching is fine. The color is fine. Oh my gosh. And I have got caught in the rain at least 4 times with this bag, and I did not put Apple Guard. There are no water stains, no water marks, no stains in general. And I'm talking about I have been caught in rainstorms and just walking with my bag like rain on my leather. But everything has been fine. The inside, yeah, nothing. No stains. It is still in absolute, you might not be able to see that, but there's no stains in here, no marks, no nothing. This bag is in pristine condition. I know a lot of you guys wanted an update because you wanted to see if it was worth investing for yourself. I'm actually not sure if the bag is still in stock, but if it is, I will link it down below, as well as I will link the unboxing video down below. If it is still in stock, this bag is definitely worth it. This is going to last me many years, and this can probably most likely be passed down because it's just an excellent bag, and I'm very, very impressed. Granted, it has only been 2 months, but like I said, I am very rough and I'm glad it holds up. Another thing that you all wanted to see, you wanted to see how the bag looks on. So there's obviously a few ways you could wear it. You could do this like they did in the 90s with the little put it over one shoulder, but the way that I wore it like a regular backpack. See? Very cute, easy. You can adjust the straps however you want to wear it. I wore this a lot with jeans, sweats, comfortable clothes. That's why I chose to wear it like a backpack. As you can see, it's kind of far from the back. It has adjustable straps. This is just the way I had it last, but if I were to wear it like that with this dress, I'd probably want it tighter, so you can just adjust the straps. It's very easy, so you can make it more on your back, whatever you like, whatever's comfortable for you. That's another great feature of this bag. So again, just a very quick update. I do say that this bag is a 10 out of 10. It is worth it. It is going to last you. And this is just a great staple piece I think that you can have in your collection. So I hope you all did enjoy the little update video. If there's other luxury products that you see me unbox that you want to update on, be sure to let me know. Be sure to let me know by just leaving a comment down below. I love you guys so much. Okay, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.